Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the tutorials in the FilmMaker application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find the book symbol. Press on it and here you will be able to find tutorials by topics like basic editing, intro and animated text, stunning effect, speed and filter and all the others. You can just press on one and you can just watch basically a video here, how it works, how you can edit the specific video in this case, and what you can do. And you can basically just learn every one of these skills that you can see here, and you can always just come back here to check for something if you need help. These tutorials will also appear to you when you first enter the application, but after that, if you close it, you should just know that there is basically where you can find it once again. So that's pretty much it, really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.